Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to fork a repository in GitHub. If you've been searching for a way to fork a repository in GitHub, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To fork a repository in GitHub, first of all, open github.com in your computer web browser and log into your account. Once you are in GitHub, find the repository you want to fork. You can find any public repository by searching for the repository in the search bar at the top of the GitHub page. I am going to fork this project into my account. Once you are on the repository main page, look for the Fork button at the top right corner of the page near the star button. Now, click on it. GitHub will create a copy of the repository under your account. This may take a few seconds. You will be redirected to the new forked repository screen. From here, you can change the name of the project and description. At last, click the green Create Fork button. Once you fork a repository, it is moved into your repository section. You can now clone it to your local machine and make changes to the code. By following these simple steps, you can easily fork a repository on GitHub and start working on your own copy.